In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily turn off likes on your Facebook profile picture. Be sure to wait until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your Facebook profile page. Once you are on your profile, tap on your profile picture again to access the options. From the Select See Profile Picture, you'll notice a global icon indicating that anyone can see and like this picture. To change the privacy settings for this picture, tap on the three dots and then select Edit Privacy. Here you'll see that the privacy is currently set to public. You can change it to friends accept, only me. Choosing only me will prevent anyone else from leaking your profile picture. Once you've made your selection, hit Done to save the changes. After saving, you'll see a lock icon next to the creating data of the picture, indicating that its visibility is restricted. Now we'll use can still view your profile picture. No one will be able to like it anymore. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.